Prevent clogs by treating your garbage disposal like a small grinder, not a trash can, and by pairing smart use with steady water flow. Start with a quick pre-flush. Run cold water for 10 to 15 seconds before turning on the disposal to move debris through the trap. Feed food in small portions while the motor is running, not all at once, and keep the water on the whole time. Avoid fibrous foods like celery, corn husks, onion skins, and artichokes because strands wrap the impeller and form ropey tangles. Skip starchy items like potato peels, rice, and pasta since they swell and turn into paste that coats the chamber and pipes. Never pour grease, oil, or melted fat. It cools into waxy plaques that narrow the drain and catch other debris. Finish with a thorough rinse. Keep the disposal running for 15 to 30 seconds after the grinding sound smooths out, then let cold water flow another 15 seconds to push particles past the trap arm. The big mistakes are overloading, using the unit dry, and treating tough scraps like it can pulverize anything. When people cram a whole plate of leftovers at once, the chamber stalls and the drain chokes. Instead, feed small handfuls and listen for the pitch to even out before adding more. Running the disposal without sufficient water leaves grit in the chamber and pipes. Make a habit of a pre-flush, a steady stream during grinding, and a post-rinse to move everything along. Tossing fibrous, starchy, or greasy waste is a frequent culprit. Keep a small compost bin or bag nearby for peels and stringy bits, and collect fats in a can to cool and toss in the trash. Another concern is dull odors and film buildup. Grind a few ice cubes with a spoonful of coarse salt monthly to scour the chamber, then rinse with cold water and wipe the splash guard. If you suspect a partial clog, pause use, run cold water at full flow for 1 minute, and then try small, soft scraps. If the sink backs up, stop and check the trap rather than forcing more food. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it simple to find local plumbing pros for maintenance, tune-ups, and disposal replacements when a project is beyond your comfort zone. We help homeowners connect with trusted contractors, and we help contractors find work through profiles, reviews, and our active discussion community where we share advice, troubleshooting tips, and real project experiences.